Opening a business bank account and why it's essential for every entrepreneur. A business account keeps your personal and company finances separate, making it easier to track expenses and simplify taxes. It helps protect your personal assets, which is super important. Gather some key documents: your business formation papers, EIN, business license, operating agreement, and personal ID. When choosing a bank, take the time to compare fees and online banking options. Look for integrations with accounting tools and check out their customer service. Some popular choices are Chase Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Bluevine, and Novo. You can open your account online or in person. Just submit your documents and make an initial deposit. Once you're approved, you'll receive debit cards, online access, and business checks. Having a dedicated business bank account builds credibility and keeps your finances organized.